Are you sleepyhead? It's only the morning, sweetie. It's only 11:09. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. And little Sophia. You black dog, you. Light off, light on. Little Mace. Pretty girl. Good girl, Moose. Mace. Pretty little girl. Good girl. Well, just waiting for the afternoon storm to roll in. It rolls in about 1 o'clock, and it's only 11:10 right now. This is Connecticut. This is my neighborhood in Connecticut. Not telling you which part just yet. But those of you who know me know which town I live in. Macy was right there. Hi, Macy. Sophia. Pretty good zoom for this thing, I guess. I'm recording on the Sylvania HD camcorder. It's alright. But, yep. Just waiting for the storm. See, here's the camcorder. Shh, there's a light on it, too. Here's our tree. I don't feel like plugging it in, but you get the picture. Alright, so I must have shoveled the snow like, what, half-hour ago? Look at it. Gotta shovel again. Probably do it in like 10 minutes or something. But look at the snow. Dirty spot in the window. Parents drove in like 10 minutes ago. Yeah. This is my new camera. Canon PowerShot SX210IS 14x optical zoom, 14 megapixels. With a, as you can see, that type of a tripod. Doggies. Macy. Hi, baby. Sophia. And then I have Harley here. Hey, Harley. What do you got there? Yuck. Kitty boy. And then we got Lola way up there. Lola. Hi, sweetie pie. Beautiful. I'm not liking this one bit, viewers. Because I have to shovel it all. It's not even up to an inch yet, and I have to go back out. Here, get a feel for it. Get a feel for it. Look it. Not even an inch. Almost. And it's windy. And cold. Okay, I'm gonna go back to shoveling now. See you, viewers.